Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Mujadara with Bulgar wheat. You guys have absolutely loved, admired, adored our Mujadara rice video, which you can view on the link above somewhere. Now, Mujadara is a Middle Eastern dish traditionally cooked with rice and brown lentils, and it is topped with caramelized onions, and it is absolutely delicious, which many of you have commented yourselves and you've actually spoken the truth. And today we show you another variation of Mujadara with bulgur wheat, which is a very healthy alternative, which is full of fiber. So let's move on to the recipe. Okay, you've seen how to make this Mujadara with bulgur wheat. And as a bonus, we've also shown you how to make a Dill Yogurt Dip. And Mujadara is perfect with a yogurt dip or a salad of your choice. Those of you who have tried our Mujadara rice, please do give this a go because you are not going to be disappointed. If you like that, I am convinced you'll like this as well. So in the previous video, I asked you a question of the day that where are you all from? And a lot of you have responded from all over the world, which has been very, very nice to see, very, very overwhelming, and something that we really appreciate. So I'm going to ask you all because when we made the initial video, it was quite a few months ago. So now we have quite a few new viewers. The same question, that where are you all from? If you can mention your city, your country, or your state, that'll be wonderful. And just to remind you guys, there may be some new viewers here. I am Don Imran, and I am from London, UK. And where are you guys from? So comment that below. And also like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our regular releases. And you can also view some of our other videos. The options will appear on the screens very shortly. Well, a lot of you have commented that you love Middle Eastern recipes, so we have an entire playlist dedicated to Middle Eastern cuisine. So do go ahead and binge watch all of those now. And with that said, catch you in the next one!